Good afternoon, children. Today we have to start exercise 8.5. So here first question is find the sum in inch of the following. Here three numbers are given to you and you have to add these numbers. But mind one thing, before addition you have to convert all these decimal numbers into like decimals. Here we have, what are like decimals? The number of digits in the decimal part should be same. Okay, like here we have 3 digits, here we have 1, here we have 2. So I'll make the number of digits 3 in the decimal part in each number. So here I have 1 digit, so I'll add 2 zeros in the end. Here I have 2 digits in the decimal part, I'll add 1 zero at the end. So let's see how to do addition. Now first of all, make all these numbers like decimals and then arrange the numbers in the columns and then add. Mind one thing, you have to write the numbers like whole part first, then decimal part numbers. Here 8 will come at ones place and then decimal, then 5 0 0. 30, 3 will come at tens place and 0 will come at ones place, then decimal 0 8 0. So in this way you will arrange the numbers, decimal numbers in the column and then add. Look at the B part. Here 15 plus 0.632 plus 13.8. So first I have converted all the decimal numbers into like decimals by putting zeros at the end, and then I have arranged these numbers in columns and then add. Here also 27.076, 0.550, 0.004. So arrange, maybe 0.55 is there. I have added 1 0 to make all the decimal part, to make the numbers equal in the decimal part. Arrange them and add 27.076, 0.550. Whole part will come under whole part and decimal part will come under decimal part. So 6 plus 4 is 0, 7 plus 5 is 12 and carry over 1 here, that is 13. Then carry over 1, 5 plus 1 6, 7, 0, 7 plus 0 plus 0, 7 and then 2. In this way you will do all these questions. This is D part. Here it is E part, 0.750 plus 10.425 plus 2, right? So here there is no decimal part is missing in this case, 2 only is there. So what I will do, I'll make the decimal part of this digit myself. So 2 point, as there are 3 digits in the decimal part, so I'll write 3 zeros after decimal. Now add, arrange in the column 0.750, 10.425, 2.00, then add. You'll get this. Same in the F part, similar in the F part. Now in the second question, there are word problems from question 2 to 7. Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for maths book and 32.60 for science book. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. So money spent for maths book is this, science book is this. Find the total amount. Total means you have to add. So let's make the statement first. Money spent for maths book is rupees 35.75. Money spent for science book is rupees 32.60. Now total money spent. As these two numbers are like decimals, because in the decimal part we have two digits, so no need to convert them into like decimals as they are already like decimals. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 6 is 13, carry over 1, 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1, 8, 3 plus 3, 6. So total money spent on books, on math and science books is 68 rupees and 35 paisa. Question number 3. Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10 and 50 paisa. Her father gave her rupees 15 and 80 paisa. Find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. Now money given by mother, rupees 10 and 50 paisa. Money given by father, rupees 15 and 80 paisa. Total money received is 26 and 30 paisa. Question number 4. Nasreen bought 3 meter and 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt, 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trousers, and find the total length of cloth bought by her. So this much cloth she has bought for her shirt and this much for her trousers. You have to find the total length of cloth bought. So cloth bought for shirt is 3 meter 20 centimeter. Now remember, if here is meter and centimeter units are given, you can mind one thing, there should be 2 digits in the centimeter place. Should be, always there should be 2 digits before centimeter. And if you want to convert it into decimal, you can write it like 3.20 meter. Now cloth bought for trousers 2 meter 5 centimeter. Now here we have only single digit in centimeters. So what I will do, I'll put 1 0 before 5, because if I write 5 or 05, same meaning. So 2 meter and 05 centimeter, you'll convert it into decimal, 2.05 meter. And how to put this decimal? To separate meter from centimeter, we put decimal always. So 0 plus 5, 5, 2, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So total length of cloth bought is 5 meter 25 centimeter. Next is Naresh walked 2 kilometers 35 meter in the morning and 1 kilometer 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? Now this much he walked in morning, this much in the evening. आपको total distance find out करना है. So distance travelled by bus, this much, 15 kilometer and 268 meter. Now mind one thing again. If there is kilometer, then before meter there should be 3 digits. Okay, 268 meter is there, fine, 3 digits are there. 7 kilometer, distance travelled by car is 7 kilometer 7 meter. Now before 7 I'll put 2 zeros to make it 3 digit in the meter place. So I'll add 2 zeros, and this is 500 meter. Kilometer place is missing here. So while converting it into decimal, we'll separate kilometer by meter by putting decimal. So I can write it as decimal, this number 15.268 kilometer. Okay, or I can say कि you have to convert this into kilometers, right? Again convert this into kilometers. What you will get? 7.007 kilometers. As I have told you that in the meter place I must have 3 digits, because in 1 kilometer there are 3. In 1 kilometer there is equals 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So in the meter place we should have 3 digits. 500 meter is there, the distance travelled on foot. So for kilometer we have nothing, so I'll put whole part is 0.500 kilometers. Now add, you will get 22.775 kilometers. Ravi purchases rice this much, sugar this much, flour this much. You have to find out the total weight of all the items purchased. So weight of rice is this, weight of sugar is this, and weight of flour is this. First convert. Again, as 1 kilogram has 1000 grams, so there should be 3 digits in the gram place. So here is 2 kg 20 gram. So I'll make it 3 digits by putting 0 before 20. Here we have 3 digits, here we have 3 digits, here we have 3 digits. Now it's very easy to convert it into kg. 5.400 kg, 2.020 kg, and weight of flour is 10.850 kg. Add them up, you'll get your answer. The total weight of items purchased is 18 kg and 270 gram, or 18.270 kg. Thank you and have a nice day. Complete your exercise in your notebooks, exercise 8.5.